Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Emma and Jake English.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy to see you again.
Today, we will learn simple small talk in English.
Yes, these are easy sentences you can use every day.
This lesson is great for beginners.
We will use simple words, short sentences, and clear examples.
So relax, listen, and practice with us.
Let's begin.
First, what is small talk?
Small talk is a short and simple conversation.
It is the kind of English people use in daily life.
For example, when you meet a friend,
When you see a neighbor,
or when you talk to a coworker.
you can use small talk.
Small talk is not long.
And it does not need difficult English.
That is why it is perfect for beginners.
Let's start with greetings. Hi.
Hello.
Hi, Jake.
Hello, Emma.
You can say hi or hello.
Both are easy. Both are natural.
Hi is a little more casual.
And hello is also very common.
Hi.
Hello.
You can also use time greetings. Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
These are also common in English.
You can say good morning in the morning.
And good afternoon later in the day.
These are simple and polite.
Good morning.
Good afternoon. After hi, you can ask, how are you?
How are you?
This is a very common question.
It means you are asking about the other person.
How are you?
How are you?
This is one of the most useful small talk questions in English.
Now let's look at simple answers. I'm good.
I'm fine.
I'm okay.
I'm great.
You can also say, I'm a little tired.
I'm a little busy.
These are all simple and useful.
You do not need a long answer.
A short answer is okay.
Now, let's talk about the day. You can ask, how is your day?
How is your day?
This is another good small talk question.
It is simple, polite, and natural.
How is your day?
My day is good.
Very easy.
Now, let's talk about simple feelings. I'm happy.
I'm tired.
I'm busy.
I'm okay.
You can also say, my day is good.
My day is busy.
My day is fine.
My day is okay.
These are short and useful.
Simple English is enough here too.
After someone answers, you can say a short, polite response. That's good.
That's nice.
I'm sorry to hear that.
I understand.
For example, if someone says, I'm tired, you can say, I'm sorry to hear that.
And if someone says, my day is good, you can say, that's nice.
These short responses make the conversation feel natural. Let's try an example. Hi, Jake.
Hi, Emma. How are you?
I'm okay. A little tired today.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Thank you.
I hope you can rest later.
Yes, I hope so too.
Hi, Emma.
Hi, Jake. How is your day?
My day is busy, but it's okay.
I hope your day gets better.
Thank you. That's very kind.
Sometimes days are busy.
Yes, that's true.
So here we are talking about a busy day.
Yes, this is a simple way to talk about your day.
Another example for you. So, what are you doing today?
I'm working this afternoon.
Oh, I see.
I have a few things to finish.
That sounds busy.
Yes, a little. What about you?
I'm staying home today.
That sounds nice.
Yes. I want a quiet day.
That's a good idea.
Sometimes quiet days are the best.
So in this part, we are talking about today's plans.
Yes. This is also very common in small talk.
We have more ways to continue the small talks. For example, it's really nice out here today.
Yes, it is.
The weather feels good.
I like days like this.
Me too. It's sunny, but not too hot.
And it's very peaceful here.
Yes, I like this place.
It feels calm and quiet.
This is also a good kind of small talk.
Yes, here we are talking about the weather.
And the place around us.
The weather is nice today.
It's very peaceful here.
I like this place.
These are easy sentences, but they sound natural.
Well, I hope your work goes well today.
Thank you. I hope you have a nice, quiet day at home.
Thank you, Jake.
It was nice talking with you.
It was nice talking with you too.
Maybe we can talk again later.
Yes, that would be nice.
Have a good day, Emma.
You too, Jake.
So here, we are closing the conversation in a polite way.
Yes, this is a simple and friendly ending. Now, let's look at a few simple mistakes.
Mistake number 1. Do not make your answer too long.
For small talk, short answers are normal.
Mistake number 2. Do not speak too fast.
Clear English is better than fast English.
Mistake number 3. Do not worry too much.
You do not need perfect English.
You only need simple, clear English.
That is enough to have a good, small conversation. Let's review. In this lesson, we learned simple small talk.
First, we learned greetings. Hi. Hello. Good morning.
Then we learned how to ask simple questions. How are you? How is your day?
We also learned how to talk about feelings. I'm good. I'm tired. I'm busy.
And we learned how to talk about today's plans. I'm staying home today.
I'm working this afternoon.
We also talked about the weather and the place around us. The weather is nice today.
It's very peaceful here.
And finally, we learned how to close a conversation politely.
It was nice talking with you.
Have a good day.
Very simple. Very useful.
Great job today.
Today, we learned simple small talk in English.
Let's summarize. We learned how to say hello, ask simple questions, talk about feelings, talk about today's plans, talk about the weather, and close a conversation politely.
Practice these short phrases again and again.
They can help you sound more natural in daily English.
And if this lesson helped you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
That way you can keep learning with us and get our newest lessons.
We'd love to see you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.